Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. You need administrator rights. Once done, locate the left pane and click Outbound Rules to block outgoing traffic or Inbound Rules for incoming. You do this now because firewall rules apply immediately and per executable. Make sure you know the app's exe name or full path. This step establishes the control point, and you'll use New Rule next to create a tailored restriction for that specific program. Now create the rule itself. Choose New Rule and Pick Program because you're targeting a specific executable, then browse to and select the apps. EXE. Once selected, choose Block the connection to stop traffic rather than allow it, and then click Next. You'll be prompted to apply the rule to domain, private, and public profiles. Pick the profiles that matter for your environment. Finish the wizard and name the rule. This enforces the block immediately for the chosen contexts. Finally, test the app to confirm the block. Launch it and try any network-dependent feature. Use Task Manager to ensure the correct process is running. If the app still accesses the internet, edit the rule or disable it and verify you pointed to the right. EXE. Some apps spawn helper processes. Make sure no third-party firewall or proxy is overriding Windows Firewall. As a last resort, reset Windows Firewall to defaults, but back up custom rules first to avoid losing other configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.